want to quickly address Madam Shehu. Madam Shehu, ask him Kanjoge, are you out for peace? Or are you out for a revenge? In a kwoku peace now, in a kwoku revenge, because we are complicating issues. The other time, I put us in nature of peace in Igbo land, nature of peace. And they drop a video yesterday. I got time video. Anna Mayogi, Biko Madam, Emekwana, this case escalate. This case in a divina way on Abago. Emekwana, this case escalate. Obu nature of revenge, pure revenge, Emezini was include Naya. Just to gastrate me revenge, pure. Gastrate me revenge, because I want to case here as no the connection, intimidation, in the connection. Opportunities are here now. Video made yesterday, watch it, and I say how. Obu nature of peace. Now this whole thing. Why not email all these individuals said involved in this very case? Why not email her invite them? They don't know her around. I don't run a video call. Email her invite. Join her here with the problem. And solve all this case. So no one may apologize to each other, including you. Including you. No one may apologize to each other because all of you offended each other. Peace are there. Asimku, oh, the best thing you can do for us now. The best thing you can do for us. Let me tell you the truth. Oh. Believe it or not, who no one hate Ogechi. I'm a member of Segahana, go one you I'm a member Naga. Or who no one hate Ogechi. And you cannot tell now, the way I'm no on the ha. And whenever this case in Wilikiru, and when some people got interested in this case, connection was Ibeyelu. A got an old to onion Nigeria. A got an old to onion Nigeria. Police on assault issue. Because in any land, one person. All of you offended each other. The best thing you can do for Igbos now, if truly you want peace in Igbo land, the best thing you can do for us now, if all these individuals said involved in this very issue, I need to do. Can you make a way to do in this case? Without being biased. Without being biased. A gas straight to the point. A make peace. Oh no one I know. Then no guy say no they show you put in the money. Think you say camera, party what JPEG or party anybody again. Guy say before to a boy on your epido na problem. Oti say we MRS see make he make. O how to onye one Nigeria wo. Onya he contact ya we put no respect. Oburu na put for this case. O need truly natural revenge. Madam Shehu, gastrate, we do respect. Gastrate, may revenge. And many Igbos include nai. May revenge labo. But Obuna sincerely, as I did we wo, nature udo na lan nage. Oburu nature udo na lan nage. All individuals in that involved in a case here. Call all of them. Ono nile, ema apologize. To each other. Oku ebie. Case close. Anuma who's hand all go to the level of intimidation when in contact. Oh, to see that here. Oh, to see this case. All I got to one individual. Oh, to see here. Oh, to see here. I'm being sincere. We do respect, man. The best thing in now, the best thing you can do for us now. But all these individuals say they involved in this very case. All have made peace. Ono one kwebo si abaya. Ono one ma apologize to each other, including you. Ono one ma apologize to each other. Case closed. Imere anyị escalate this very case. Anyị agakwa ahapụgo. I'm being sincere to you. Case here, you will go here to this level. Some people did very interested in a case here. Even if you never feel in no case one person now, Ozuonyo wona. Remember one numero Ogechi arrest. Or one wona say may arrest, may Ozuo numero Ogechi arrest. If onyo wona turn against your people. Onyo wona turn against your people. Madam Shehu, where connection or you were now? Where you make peace? Whether you make peace, say these people know. Whether you call law for peace. Whether you call law for peace. Emena case escalate. I cannot to that level in Aga. Police aga hese to mu case ya. Ihe we home nile adults. Ihe nile involved in a case our adults. Ihe we all of them get sit together. Ma apologize to each other. Case close. Onyo wona gawara onwe ya. Ana mata su onye ya wuti the first. Imepega mire again. Emo onye ozo insult. Akpari onye ozo. But all with this life in a life in Ghana. I am a part in Aga. I am a level in Aga. All that time, you will now find out now some people just know nature ki rule level. With due respect, ma. Where they connection ga, nyani peace. Anya choho war. Were connection ga unu niile agbacha n'onwu na okwu ọjọọ onye ọbụla ma ya nwere nke ngere mbọsị post ikwuru n'ọnụ. All of you offended each other. Right now ihe anyị na-ekwu okwu elu otu anyị esi dozi ha ọ bụghị iche onye na-eje eti na prison. Ọ bụghị iche onye na-eje eti na prison. Ọ maka ịnọ na Nigeria, ọ maka ọ nọ na Nigeria. Ihe agwụrụ nọ in a developed country. You have been Ogechi in prison because you need offend. You said, according to Ogechi, she made a video 4 times. He dropped 4 videos before she came for you. Before she came for you, so all of you started it. All of you here and there. He may escalate this case, He may escalate this issue as a level in Ghana. He put you to that level. He is chatting this video. Level this case in Wadikiru. In Wadiki hat 1 year. I'm not here to disrespect you. Or my sister K. Why need a Igbo wofu? Or talk each a chiche. Because in the Nila push now, yes, madam, yes, yeah, I'm a government session again, and I'm motivated. All of them. They are torn now. But was ye war? All of them. They are turning back. This year against you. Where they have many numero Ogechi arrest. Where that one, for example. Or no one we have Ogechi arrest, Ogechi arrest. Ogechi arrest, or we no. Or we no. Man, the international call, no one an apple. Or we one we are against you people. Onyo one against you people. Where you are money here me tomorrow. Call these individuals that involved. Call them. Tinye peace. Omuwanyine we two donor family. Igbo wo family. Ali Igbo deka family. Anya choho police case. We don't want police. Anya choho police case. Were connection again. Nyanyi peace. And with a whole lot of pressing issues in Ali Igbo. Already. This one now anya chohi at all. Nyani peace. Ogechi ezuike. Ndị nkozo kwa ezuike. Ogechi ezuike, ndị nkozo ezuike. But you hear video imere yesterday na targeting na one person which na ima onye owu. Oburu ni cho revenge. Come out for revenge lakbuo. But it ime Igbo's involved na it means na ogbasara anyị niile. Ogbasara anyị niile. We don't want war, we want peace. We want peace. Amen. Escalate this issue. Reconcile them. You can do it. Reconcile them. Happy connection. Happy connection. Reconcile this very case. Reconcile before or go to another thing. I'm not here to disrespect you like I said before. But talk and go again. Egotara can go again. Na ini their way in here. All of us their way in here. I will be video in the maker. You can even get higher.